Good day, everybody. My name is Greiling Viljoen. I'm the presenter for the People Management module on the PPM course. In this short presentation, I'll be giving a brief introduction of what the module is about and the focus areas of the module, and then also how the course is structured. The module is structured over the 4 weeks of this particular module. The module is divided into 4 focus areas, one for each week of the 4 weeks. The first week, the focus is on analyzing and improving a team. So there you will be looking at a work team, and a module of analysis will be applied, and also then you will design ways to improve your team. The second focus area is thinking and solving problem as a team. So then this is about when you are working in a team, how to solve problems, how to strategize improvements, and so on. And this particular part of the module will require group work. But when we get there, we will introduce the group work. Then the third focus area is on team leadership. And there, the focus will be on yourself, how to improve as a manager and as a team leader. The fourth focus area is about team roles, managing conflict and change. And once again, in this particular part of the module, the focus will be on you, on how you can manage conflict and change better in your teams. Please note that for every week, there's a discussion board contribution for marks, which you have to, during the week, you have to make discussion board contributions, but I'll introduce that at the beginning of every week. During week 1, that is study unit 1 with the team analysis, the structure will be as follows. There's a week overview, that is a document. There's also a PDF file with the reading for this particular part of the module, week 1. Then there is a narrated presentation, that is basically where the reading part is developed. Presentation is based on that, and then the presentation is narrated. I would introduce and also give you the instructions for this discussion board contribution. And at the end of the first week, that is Wednesday, February the 7th, you will be handing in your first assignment. Then week 2 and 3, the structures for these 2 particular weeks are more or less the same. The week 2, there is once again a week overview, there's a reading, there's a narrated presentation, once again of about 20 minutes, and a discussion board. The big difference between week 1 and week 2 is that during week 2 you will start working in small groups, where you will do some online collaboration with your fellow students on this course. Week 3, the focus is on leading teams, and there will be a week overview again, and here then you will complete and submit a short leadership style inventory. There will be a narrated presentation describing the theory of this particular leadership model that we are working with here. Once again, there's a discussion board contribution, and at the end of week 3, there is an assignment that you will hand in, and that will be handed in on Wednesday, the 21st. The fourth week, the study unit comprises team roles, conflict, and change. Structure is the same, as more or less the same as week 3. For this particular module, there are 2 self-inventories that you will complete. The one is the Belbin team roles, and the second one is on your conflict management style. And both these instruments, or the outcome of these instruments, will be used to develop our own self-development plan, which is then the assignment for week 4, that you will be handing in on Wednesday the 28th. On Wednesday the 28th, you will also be handing in the assignment for week 2, where you will be handing in individual assignments that will be based on the group work that you started during week 2 of the module, but you only hand in the assignment at the end of week 4. Here you see an overview of the tasks, the assignments, and marks for each one of the 4 weeks. Every week counts 25 marks, so that adds up to 100 for the whole module. The first week you hand in assignment 1. The assignment itself counts 20 marks, and your discussion board contribution counts 5 marks. The assignment 2, which you will hand in at the end of week 4, also counts 20 marks, and the discussion board contribution 5 marks. And week assignment 3 and assignment 4, both of these are handed in respectively at the end of week 3, and then assignment 4 at the end of week 4, and they both count 20 marks each. And there's also then a 5-mark contribution for the discussion board. So the discussion board is quite important that you do contribute, and it's really, if you just make your contribution as what is required or at what is prescribed in each week of the module, then those are really easy marks that you can obtain. I just at the beginning of the module, I provide my contact details. There are 2 email addresses, the greiling-viljoen@mweb.co.za or g_viljoen@mweb.co.za. If you write an email, usually the turnaround time is 24 hours, and you can also leave your telephone number where I can contact you if you think that discussion would be a better option than just doing it in writing. Okay, so this is the end of the introduction. The next step will be then to look at the content of week 1.